Okay, so we have a 1982 Pontiac Firebird with the Trans Am trim. Has the 5.0 engine in it, which I thought was kind of interesting. I didn't know GM made a 5.0 for a little while for these Pontiacs. I believe it's a 307, if I remember correctly. What was it? I think a 307. Anyways, so this car's been sitting for about, let's see, about 22 years. So we're gonna put a carburetor on it, quadjet, and hook it all up, check the fuel tank, and go from there. So I'd be very interested to see this vehicle fire up. A couple things while I'm going to do. I noticed that we're missing one of the spark plug wires has been chewed off, so might throw, and it's deteriorating. You can see that the spark plug wire is deteriorating there. It's been chewed up here. So I'll get all this kind of vacuumed out, cleaned up, maybe throw a set of plug wires on it, and we'll go from there. I'm excited and interested to see this thing fire up. So anyways, I just want to do a quick intro on this vehicle, and thank you for looking. Just wanted to show this. This starter was replaced at some point, and they didn't tighten up the lug. It's loose. I just wanted to I was just looking down here to make sure that the control wire for the starter was hooked up, and I was checking to make sure it was tight, and I saw that this cable was loose. So anyways, just making a note. Okay, so I don't want to drop the tank if I don't have to, fuel tank. I do want to see what's inside of it. So I think what I'm going to do is I saturated a paper towel. I'm going to shove it in here. I saturated it just to make sure that the air doesn't blow through very well, and I'm going to push air through it. What I've done so far is I removed the supply line from tank to the fuel pump. So let me get my bucket in there. I am doing this just to show that my bucket is clean, no debris. I've already washed it. So shove that in there, and I just put this as a temporary funnel so that I can catch anything. There's my supply line that I took off my pump, and I'm going to go ahead and push air through it now, and let's see if we don't get anything out of there. Wish I could hold my camera up, but that's okay. I'll just do it like this for now. So this is what I got out. I'll do it again. I am seeing some big flakes, somewhat big flakes, not too bad. I think I'm just going to put a filter on it, try to blow as much as I can out, and then put some fresh fuel in it. So I think we'll be okay. I don't think I'm going to drop the tank. Just like to crank it over just to kind of pre-oil the engine block internally. This has not cranked for over 22 years easy. So I'm about to put the carburetor on, but I'd like to pre-oil it. So we're going to see if the battery and everything holds okay for me to crank it over. Let me get my camera set up. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's all I wanted to do for now. So we'll get a battery charger back on it. I'll get the carburetor on. We'll put some fuel in it and see if this thing fires up. Let's see. I think we're ready. Yep.
You want to try to turn it on?
Sure. Here we go. Oh wait, give me a moment. You all right?
What's up?
You okay?
Yeah. Don't worry about doing the pedal. You're going to do that?
Yeah. Let me try to hook this choke up temporarily. I'm going to need to do a new connector on it. Okay, whenever you're...
Go ahead.
Yep. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the starter up, the charger up. Okay.
Go ahead.
Yep. Okay, hold on. Okay, one more time.
You good?
Yep. Okay, you can shut it off. It's because it sucked that bottle empty.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Oh, it ran. Man, there's...
All kinds of dirt was coming out of it.
Yeah. Oh well. Cool. Okay, so this is a different day, and I'm going to start it up, make sure everything works, and I'm pretty much done. So we put new spark plugs, spark plug wires, a new fuel pump. We put a fuel filter in there, put the carburetor, rebuilt the carburetor, put it back on, and let's see if it'll just fire up. First start of the day. I was surprised that it did. Let's see how our filter did. Did we get any fuel? No, our filter ran out. So that's okay. Just no fuel in the fuel tank, which is fine. I was expecting that. So we just need to put some fuel in. But I didn't want to leave this car sitting too long without fuel in it, because I didn't want the carburetor to get varnished. So anyways, thank you for looking, and have a wonderful day.